Did you know that pangolins have a super cool defense mechanism? When they feel threatened, they curl up into the tightest little balls you can imagine. It's like their nature's very own armored tanks. Their scales are tough and shiny, acting like a suit of armor against predators. Imagine rolling up into a cozy ball when danger approaches. Talk about a clever escape plan. These fascinating creatures are the only mammals with scales, making them truly unique. So, next time you think of a tough animal, remember the pangolin, the ultimate ball of armor in the wild.